Ever wondered how many people share planet Earth with you? The number might startle you. Currently, our global family extends to over 8 billion members, and to think, it took all of human history until the year 1800 to reach the first billion. From that point, the population exploded in a way that is nothing short of remarkable. The 20th century alone witnessed the population more than tripling from 2 billion to over 6 billion. Today, in the 23rd year of the 21st century, we've already surpassed 8 billion. Demographers expect this rapid rise to peak by the end of this century, but that doesn't mean our planet's resources can comfortably support us all. The reality is we're facing a crisis of overpopulation, where our numbers may exceed what our world can sustain. As we stand at over 8 billion strong, it's time to consider the implications. Why are we in this situation? What led to this massive population swell? Let's delve into the root causes. Firstly, high birth rates, particularly in developing countries. Here, access to family planning services may be limited, thus leading to rapid population growth. Secondly, we've seen a significant decline in death rates. This is largely due to advances in healthcare, sanitation, and technology, resulting in longer life expectancy, and you guessed it, population growth. Education, or rather a lack of it, plays a crucial role too. When individuals are not educated about family planning, larger families may ensue. This brings us to the fourth factor, poverty and lack of economic opportunities. When a family's livelihood depends on labor, they may have more children to ensure survival. These children later support the family in old age, creating a cycle of larger families and increased population growth. Lastly, let's talk about migration. This can be from rural to urban areas or across borders, leading to concentrated population in specific regions. So we have high birth rates, decline in death rates, lack of education, poverty, and migration. Together, these factors form a potent cocktail that fuels overpopulation. With these factors at play, our numbers continue to rise and the implications are far-reaching. Overpopulation isn't just about crowded cities. It's a complex issue with deep-seated repercussions. It's like a ripple in a pond, each effect leading to another, creating a cascade of challenges that touch every corner of our globe. Overpopulation puts immense pressure on our natural resources. Imagine a pie representing resources such as water, food, energy, and land. As the population grows, more and more people want to share, but the pie isn't getting any bigger. This can lead to scarcity and increased competition for these resources. And the environment? It takes a massive hit. Overpopulation contributes to deforestation, habitat destruction, pollution, and loss of biodiversity. It's like we are pulling threads from the fabric of our planet, leading to the degradation of ecosystems, disruption of natural cycles, and increased carbon emissions, exacerbating climate change. Moreover, overpopulation can cause a surge in poverty rates and inequality. As resources become scarce and job opportunities dwindle, the gap between the haves and the have-nots widens. Infrastructure, too, feels the strain. Overpopulation can overload systems such as transportation, housing, sanitation, and healthcare, like a weightlifter trying to lift more than they can handle. And let's not forget our ecosystems. Overpopulation can lead to encroachment on natural habitats, disrupting ecosystems, and furthering the loss of biodiversity. This instability can have long-term consequences for the resilience of these ecosystems. The effects of overpopulation ripple out, touching every aspect of our lives and our planet. It's not all doom and gloom. There are ways we can address overpopulation. Indeed, education and awareness are powerful tools. When we promote education, especially for women, we empower individuals with knowledge about family planning, leading to better control over population growth. Economic development also plays a crucial role. By fostering economic growth and reducing poverty, we can indirectly contribute to population stabilization. When people have access to better job opportunities and healthcare, they are more likely to opt for smaller family sizes. Then we have sustainable resource management. By implementing sustainable practices in agriculture, water management, and energy production, we can meet the needs of a growing population without depleting our natural resources. And finally, government policies and incentives can make a significant impact. Governments can promote family planning, provide incentives for smaller families, and in the process, help in addressing overpopulation. Overpopulation reminds us that our choices today shape the world of tomorrow. Let's choose wisely for the sake of our planet and future generations.